In terms of preparation for when they come, you can fantasize and think and imagine what's going to happen, and they're children and they are traumatized. But you need to be a swan. You need to take everything in your stride, emotionally and physically exhausting, but talk about it with your husband or wife or partner. Have those open and honest discussions and be open to say, actually, we could have handled that better, and be honest to say, I messed up in that. I could have handled that situation better. And you're constantly learning. So on one of our first days out, without the support and supervision of the foster parents, was we all went for a meal in Pizza Hut. And it was really lovely for my husband and I to be out with our children and that be a reality. And the next morning we had bacon and sausage, rolls in bed, watching a film, all of us. And that bed was too small because there was just so many of us. And it was like, we've got our family, and that will stick with me for the rest of my life. When you wake up in the morning and you've got your family, it's worth its weight in gold. The one piece of advice I would give to anybody who is thinking about adopting siblings is talk to people. Talk to your partner, is this what you both want? Talk to your family about the practical things. Talk to people with large families, because we did all of that and it was the best thing we ever did.